everybody. It looks like today I'm gonna actually be teaching you how to plug a tire. It started raining this morning, and when I got to work, I had a flat tire when I decided to leave work. So we're gonna plug this tire right now, and I'll show you what you're actually gonna need to plug a tire. So stay tuned. So what you're gonna need to patch a tire are these tools right here. This is from a tire patch kit. And you have your scraper, your plug tool, and then your plugs. You're also gonna need a pair of dikes, maybe some rubber glue, or even a razor blade. And that's what you need to patch a tire. First, what we need to do is locate the nail. So I added air to the tire, listened for the hiss, and I found the nail. Lucky enough, it's right there. What we gotta do next is extract it. So get a piece of pliers, go ahead and extract it out. Yeah, it's coming out right now. We're gonna have two tools. You're gonna have the scraper, and you're gonna have the insertion tool, and then you're gonna have the gum stick. What you need to do, stick the insertion tool, and you're gonna ridge it up. Next, we're going to take the gum stick. We're going to put this through the tool, like so. We're going to drag this right in the middle. This, then, we're going to insert into the tire, and it's going to go like that. Like this. Like that. You're gonna have these two tabs. This now is gonna be the plug. Before I trim this, so you're gonna have the two tails. You can trim it later on, but before I trim it, I'm actually gonna add air to the tire to make sure that it's not really leaking. So we'll give it a shot. We're gonna double check the tire pressure. 40 psi still. Looks like it's holding, so we're okay. It's about even. So I'm actually gonna press it in, and the road's gonna mat to it, but I'm just gonna clip it. That's it. Just gonna press this back in. The road's gonna take care of that, and hopefully it seals. And that's how you fix a nail in the tire. Thanks. And again, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe, hit the bell, and leave me a comment below. I do have more things I'm going to be posting. So I did actually crack the windshield with a little chip, bullseye chip, the other day. So I'm going to actually be making a video about that as well. So hit the subscribe, and we'll see you later. Thank you.